That's how I know He loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. For the Bible tells me so. That's how I know He is not a man that He lie. He is not a man. He is not a man that He should lie. He is not a man that He should die. That's how I know, because the Bible, it tells me, that's what it tells me, it tells me that Jesus, He loves me, Jesus, He loves me, that Jesus, He loves me, that Jesus, He loves me. It is not His will that we should perish. It is not His will that we should perish. He has a plan and He has a plan. He has a plan and to give us hope, to give us hope. He has a plan. He has a plan with you in mind to give you hope and to give you a future and to give you a hope and the plan I have and the plan I have. Don't you see it? Do you not perceive? Do you not perceive? The plan I have, the mighty, mighty, mighty plan. The plan I have, the mighty, 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 mighty plan. Oh, my daughter. Oh, my son, my son. Oh, my daughter. Oh, my son, my son. My son, my son.